If I had to build a $10,000 per month AI business from absolute zero in 2025, here is the exact plan I'd follow. Step 1. Pick a demand-first niche, something people already spend money on: marketing, content creation, lead generation, or automation. Don't invent a problem. Solve an expensive one. Step 2. Use AI to build a service that saves people time or makes them money. That's it. Time or money. Examples: AI-generated content, automated outreach systems, chatbot setups, workflow automation, or AI-powered video editing. Step 3. Package the service into a simple offer. No complexity. One problem, one solution, one clear outcome. Price it at $300 to $500 to start, then raise it as you get clients. Step 4. Use AI tools to deliver the work faster: ChatGPT for writing, Claude for long-form tasks, Midjourney for graphics, Opus Clip for video repurposing, and Zapier or Make for automation. Step 5. Start reaching out to businesses. Manual outreach works better than ads when you're starting. Aim for 20 to 30 messages per day. You only need a few yeses to start making real money. Step 6. Turn your first few clients into testimonials, then niche down and raise your prices. The goal is simple: build a repeatable system that gets clients results without you doing more work. This is the formula people are using right now to hit $10,000 per month, and it still works even if you're starting with $0.